Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can group components and objects of your or built into your app in the Adalo app editor. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your app project in the Adalo app builder, zoom in to one of your app screens and click into one of your screen's components like this project list here. Left click into it, click into these three dots here, and then choose Make Group from that menu. After that, left click into another one, and that is going to create that group. Now, what you want to do also, guys, is multi-select or select multiple of these elements or components. Left click into one, press and hold left shift. Now both are selected, and now you can create a group as well by clicking into this button here. And that's how it works. Now both of them are one group, as you can see. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.